SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off the new voicemail sound on an iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you don't often have your iPhone in silent mode, then you're probably accustomed to hearing different notification sounds, like a ringtone when you get a phone call or a text tone when you get a new text message. But one of the other sounds that you might be hearing is the tone that you hear when you get a new voicemail. If you would like to turn off this voicemail sound, then you can open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Sounds and Haptics option from this menu, and then you can select New Voicemail in the list of tone options. Now, if you want to just turn off the voicemail sound, then you can tap the None option at the top of the list of tones, and if you would also like to turn off any sort of vibration or haptic feedback, then you can choose Haptics at the top of this menu, and then you can select the None option at the bottom of this screen. Now, if you go back to the voicemail or new voicemail page and then tap back again, you're going to see that it says none now next to new voicemail, which means that you're not going to have any sound or haptic vibration whenever you get a new voicemail on your phone.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.